Cremated Stone Age bones have been unearthed in Germany, and the discovery could prove a link between prehistoric cultures in northern Germany and northern England when the two were connected by the now sunken landmass known as Doggerland. The discovery site is home to the earliest known burial in northern Germany, and the find represents the first time human remains have been found at Duvensee Bog in the Schleswig-Holstein region, where numerous campsites from the Mesolithic era have been found. The area was thought popular with Stone Age people because of spearfishing opportunities and the prevalence of food staple hazelnuts, which were roasted on fires that were, it seems, also used for ritually cremating bodies. The campsites changed over time, the research shows. Harald Lubke of the Centre for Baltic and Scandinavian Archaeology said, "In the beginning we have only small hazelnut roasting hearths, and in the later sites they become much bigger. This was probably as a result of the trees becoming more widespread in the area under changing climatic conditions." The find was unearthed during excavations earlier this month at a site first discovered in the late 1980s. Archaeologists also found mats made of bark for sitting on the damp soil, worked flint, and the umpteen hazelnut roasting fireplaces. They have not found any burials on islands in the Duvensee Lake, which led Lubke to a hypothesis. Maybe they didn't bury people on the islands, but only at the sites on the lake border, which seem to have had a different kind of function, he said. The remains were the largest parts of the bones that fires were unable to completely incinerate, and it is not known if these were wrapped in animal hide or bark before they were interred. But Lubke said burning the body seemed to be a central part of burial rituals at this time. Intriguingly, Lubke also said that the Mesolithic locations at Duvensee were approximate contemporaries with the Mesolithic site at Starcar in Yorkshire, England, with similar artefacts unearthed. Starcar yielded incredible finds after the site's discovery in 1947. Chief among these were Britain's oldest structure and 21 red deer skull caps that are almost certainly to have been worn as headdresses. Experts disagree over what function these headdresses served, with some suggesting that they may have been used by hunter-gatherers as aids for blending in and stalking deer, although others favour the explanation that they were used for ritual and effectively shamanistic purposes. Around this time, Britain was still connected to mainland Europe via the now sunken Doggerland landmass. Lubke believes the mobile hunter-gatherer communities likely would have shared technologies, raising the prospect of a link between the Duvensee site and Starcar. Archaeologists intend to conduct further study and excavations at the burial site in the hope of finding out more about the people who inhabited it so many millennia ago. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like, share, and most importantly subscribe. And you can also support the channel on Subscribestar via the link in the description. Bye for now.